Sarisupsofficial, and here are 10 easy and super fun Halloween costumes for you. This video is for girls and boys and those who want to cross-dress too. You do you, man. Let's start off with one of the more complicated costumes of this video.
It's Britney, bitch.
So this is Britney Spears in her classic Hit Me Baby One More Time music video to honor her release from her conservatorship. First off, you're going to need a red bra, white button-down polo, gray cardigan, a black skirt, knee-high socks, black shoes, and 4 ponytails. First, you're going to put on the bra and then layer on your white polo. Then you're going to tie it up, put on your black skater skirt, and layer your cardigan on top. Don't forget to roll up the sleeves to show more skin than you already are. Add your white knee-high socks and black shoes. And finally, for the hair, separate your hair into 2. Use 2 pink scrunchies to tie them into pigtails. Yes, I realize they are not the same color. I am not colorblind, just an FYI. Then braid both sides and you're done. And now your high-key problematic schoolgirl look is complete. But at least you look cute to watch me embarrass myself as I try to dance, sing, and look amazing the way Britney does as she sings Hit Me Baby One More Time. And yes, I am just emphasizing the fact that I am a failure. Now, moving to our next costume, a contestant from Too Hot to Handle or Love Island or all the shows like that. And for this costume, which I think is really fun, you're just going to need 3 things. The first, a swimsuit, bikini, preferably something red, black, or a little bit more scandalous. 2, black wires or a black belt. And 3, a lapel mic or black wires and some kind of fuzzball works. The next thing you're going to do is get on your most daring swimsuit, tie the belt or wires around your waist, drape the lapel around your neck because they never wear mics normally for some reason, and you're done. Now you're ready to go to a beach and meet cute boys, cause drama, fake interviews, and date people for clout. What do you think of my introduction as a contestant?
Hi, my name's Sari and I love Grindr. Oh my god, I can't believe that she did that. She just got up and stole him from me. You know, that bitch gonna get it.
The next one we're going to do is even easier, and everyone knows this. I just thought I'd add it in case you forgot, but it's an Among Us alien or astronaut or first off, you're just going to need 2 things. A plain bright hoodie. I chose yellow because that's my color when I play the video game, but other colors are good too. And a surgical mask. First off, you're just going to put on the hoodie the other way around and then put the hood on to cover your face. The real cover girl. And then just pop on the mask, the white side, and pose and dance around awkwardly because you cannot see anything in front of you and you don't know if you're in the shot of the camera and you can't see who's on the Zoom call, but at least you're ready to slash someone and then get thrown off the ship. And for costume number 4, you can keep the big hoodie if you have it in darker colors because we're going to be Bella Porch. And now I'm literally going to teach you how to build this bitch. So first off, you're going to need a big hoodie, preferably one that is just big enough to cover your ass. Some sneakers, a ponytail, and optional if you have short hair like me, a hair extension clip which I just had at home from a different cosplay, a stuffed toy, preferably a llama, but anything is okay I suppose, and lastly, blush. A ton of it. First off, you're going to put on the hoodie and the sneakers, then tie your hair up real high and as neat as possible. If you have bangs, you can kind of pull them out and tuck them into the side. Then add your hair extension if you need to. And lastly, add a ton of blush. If you think you're done, you're not. Keep going. Grab your stuffed toy and now you're ready to look super cute while doing TikTok dances and cute little faces. Was that cringe? Definitely. I mean, only Bella Porch can pull it off because she's adorable, but you still have to do it while in this Halloween costume because that's the way it is. I don't make the rules. Now for our next costume, keeping up with the trend of hoodies, is Todd from BoJack Horseman, one of the best characters from the show.
Here's an idea. What if there was a West Dakota?
So for this costume, you're only going to need 4 things. The first, a yellow beanie. Next, a red hoodie, dark blue jogging pants, and slippers. So basically, just get on your red jacket and blue jogging pants, slip on your slippers, put your hair into a bun, and then into the yellow beanie. You can also kind of just like pull out some strands of hair to do that little curly bang things, but this really works best with curly hair. Lastly, just draw on some beard stubble all the way to your ears. I'm using eyeliner. Now you've completed your couch potato stoner but honestly living the best life look. Just add your best dumb white boy voice of the hokey pokey. Which is not that. And you can go on and hokey pokey through life. Now, so that we can keep the stubble on, the next person we're going to be is Big Ed, or Little Ed, or Ed the Thumb, whatever you like to call him. First off, you're just going to need two things. A blue robe, like he wears in this infamous scene.
I found out that mayonnaise makes it smoother and less dry.
And mayonnaise for your hair. I didn't want to put actual mayonnaise in my hair though, so I just used shaving cream and lotion. But if you want to be authentic, mayonnaise is totally fine too. It's very easy to put this costume together. First, just throw on the robe, put the product in your hair, and add stubble if you need. And lastly, tuck your chin in and head in to complete the look. Now you're ready to lie about your height and make cheesy pickup lines to the girl who is way too good for you.
You're my best view. Oh, my neck.
Next up, let's do something a little bit more normal now, but still kind of fun and sexy, which is the poetry girl from Goofy Movie. And yes, all girls who are bisexual now once had a fat crush on her and didn't know it, including myself. So you're just going to need 4 things: black turtleneck, leggings, a black beret, and some dark lipstick and black eyeshadow. First off, just get the black leggings and turtleneck on, then add the black beret, and this would be better if you could straighten your hair. Lastly, add the little black tip on your nose and screw up a little and panic, and then get it right. Oh, and don't forget the lipstick. And now you're ready to do spoken word poetry.
Slam poetry.
Slam poetry. Look hot and snap instead of clap. Get ready because life is like a lime. Sublime is a rhyme. You like that? I made it up myself. Now, to stick with the little black nose theme, we got a basic costume because I was running out of ideas that are easy, which is Minnie Mouse. You're just going to need a red skirt, black turtleneck, and Minnie Mouse ears that you can find anywhere for cheap. First, keeping the black turtleneck, just add on your red skirt, pop on your headband, and you're done. And now you can hot diggity dog dance your way through life. And never really be known for anything else except being Mickey's girlfriend. Like, come on, Disney. You can make her a strong female independent woman like you did with all of these princesses. No. Now, keeping the red skirt, I thought a fun way to be different on Halloween was to celebrate Christmas. So here comes Mrs. Claus, because in the Philippines, we all know Christmas is being celebrated in October, September, maybe even July. You're just going to need a red dress and skirt, a Santa hat, red lipstick, and a white turtleneck or white jacket or coat if you have one. Just put on the skirt and white sweater, add the hat and the red lipstick, and you're ready to go to a Halloween party, but with future-minded thinking. Am I right? You can be fun and dance, and more importantly, you have an accessory that you can use when you go wild. Santa definitely knows if you've been naughty or nice. Now, we're down to our 10th costume, and I thought I'd do something low effort but looks like a lot of effort, which is basically the story of my life. A Titan from Attack on Titan. Yes, I look like everybody's dream Halloween date, right? First off, you're going to need flesh-colored leotards and some makeup like red lipstick or dark eyeshadow. That's it. So first off, you're going to put on the flesh-colored leotard, and then you're going to wonder why it doesn't fit you anymore. I mean, it's only been 2 years, and maybe you've gained weight no matter what your mom tells you. So moving on, you're going to mess up your hair. And then for the makeup, I based it off this photo, so I'm just accentuating my smile and my gums and adding some more lines and dark circles. And there you go. You're ready to terrorize humans, but humans are destroying the earth, so you have my go signal, go ahead. And this is an actually scary costume aside from the gag. So if you want to be scary, this is the costume for you. You can get super drunk too and like run around like crazy and no one will care because they think you're just acting like a titan. Am I a genius or am I a genius? Hey guys, so this was the last outfit that I filmed, and oh my god, I'm just looking at my face in the viewfinder right now and I look terrible. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a good time. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and a comment on what your favorite costume is or whatever, and if you're interested in fashion, vlogs, or overall like crazy content, you can subscribe for a new video every Friday or every other Friday. And yeah, have a great Halloween. I'll see you next week. Bye!